Okay, it is Monday. I think it's the 6th of August. We had a leak a few days ago, and it's been raining nonstop, so we haven't been able to do anything up until yesterday. And yesterday, we put the roofing cement on over any crack. So that's what we're doing right here. Now we're going through tarring. We're hoping this is going to do the trick. So putting this down, we went through, siliconed all the big gaps and pretty much everything. Then we did the roofing cement. Now we're doing the tar. After the tar, in about a week, put that aluminum roof coating on top of this. So just an update video on the camper. So I will come back and videotape once it's all done. So we have all this to do. So all right.